Hi there. We're going to answer common questions that we get here. So let's get on to question number 5. How to decide what should go in my branded event toolkit? Well, we shared in an earlier video some of our secret sauce. We'll have 5 videos on that rolling out. So check those out for one framework we run things through. We also talked in an earlier video about getting clear on your unique flavor, what your audience craves, and your hooks in your messaging. So, once we know all that, it's good to have a framework to help facilitate effective brainstorming to ideate what sort of things should go into your kit. So, here is a simple framework that we use that can be used for any type of brainstorming and including the things we just talked about, as well as once you have clarity on those, using that as a foundation to then ideate what should go in your toolkit. So we take the natural tendencies of our brain to do, and we break them into 2 separate steps. Step 1 is to foster creativity, and to do that, we create psychological safety by setting up some ground rules that while we are brainstorming ideas, all ideas are welcome, and the only type of feedback that you can give is additive feedback and not critical feedback. So, to borrow from the world of improv, that would mean that you can give feedback that might sound like yes, and then add something else to the idea that was put out. What we don't want to do is provide critical feedback, which might sound something more like, yeah, but dot, 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 and then some reason why it won't work. There is a time and a place for that, and that's in step 2. So we'll talk about that one a little later. If you want to learn more about that and other bright ideas to grow your audience into raving fans, then say yes and to watching our next video.